Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. Today I have bring you the unboxing and complete review of Infinity World back cover for Motorola Moto G60. So I have purchased this back cover in Flipkart Big Billion Day sale for rupees 207. Right now it is available for 229 from Flipkart. So I have purchased total 3 cover, one for Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite Any 5G, one for Moto G60 and one for Samsung Galaxy F23, and all came in this same packaging. So I think all the manufacturers are same. Nevertheless, all the cover are of very good quality. So the cover is made of soft material. The in-hand feel is very good. All the cut and finishes for all the ports are accurate. This is the old cover which come with the phone. It already turns into yellow. So I decided to purchase this new black back cover. The material is mentioned as rubber. Also, let me show you how it fits in the phone. The phone fits perfectly fine, and also the side corner are raised so the display does not touch the surface directly. Also, it protects the camera bump. So no issue with the tempered glass. Also, the in-hand feel is very premium actually. So at this price, I think this is absolutely value for money, and you can definitely go for this. So thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.